Hey everyone, thanks for taking the time to check out this video. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to use the display ad builder found in the SiteBildZ software. So where we are right now is in the dash build, so we'll start from here and we'll go to the website builder section. We'll be asked which project we wish to work on, so if we already have our project with our site in it, we'd select the project, then click proceed. At the top in the center you'll see our display ad builder tab. We'll simply click on this. Now in here, this is basically the main page of the display ads section, so any ads that you create will be listed in here, so you can come in and perform these actions on them later. You can edit them, you can delete them, you can download the actual image, you can also upload an image to any of your sites. We can generate the ad code, so we can use that in the sidebar or within our content. We'll be showing you that later. Or we can also preview the ad just by simply clicking here. So let's get started by creating a new ad. And we'll click the Create Ads button at the top. Okay, so after clicking the Create Ad button, you'll notice that we're taken to a section where we have a whole bunch of these theme templates for you to select from. Now at the top we also have a drop-down with multiple sizes to choose from. Each one of these have multitudes of templates to select from. Now I also want to mention that we have our designers currently working on some Facebook themed ads, as well as some other ones to add to these different sections as well. So once you find one that you like, so if I was going to do one for a sidebar, for instance, we might go with let's go with something a little smaller. Let's go with the 160. So we just find a thing that we like. Now all these are customizable. We're going to do that in the next section here. So let's just select one of these, click OK. So here we are. Now we have a drag and drop editor. So each one of these sections can be clicked on, moved around. You'll notice that the alignment's not correct on this one here, so we just make an adjustment. But each section that you click on, you'll also notice that on the left-hand side, this area over here changes to match the section that you're working on. So if any customization that you want to do, you just simply click on it. If you want to change the button, you come over here to the left, make your changes, and then go back and select the next section you'd like to change. So if we wanted to say, for instance, lower our font size so that would fit correctly, we could do that. Everything's complete and totally customizable. So we have a list of sections, so any section you want to visit, you can also click this drop down and access that area from here. We have the heading, the description section, the logo section, the buttons, your product image. We have the background. You can select to have an image background, or you can also change it to two-tone color or a single color background. We'll also have additional text and text alignment. Now if you notice at the top section up here we have a drop down that says project websites, or you can select other websites. So basically what this area here is for is to gather images to use in your ad. So if you have images on one of the websites that you have in any of your projects, you can select your project sites. Select your site from here, click submit, and it'll go and grab your images. Or if you have a URL, say for instance, of the product that you're promoting, you can enter that as well under other website. So for an example, I'm just going to use SiteBildZ. And click submit. What the software is doing is going to that site, gathering all the images that it can. And they all list here. So any one of those, if we wanted to use them in the ad, just simply click on it and it'll be added to your ad. Now if you do happen to notice that it doesn't display, you might want to go check that, because we do have the hide option. So I go to the product and I see my images here, and it's also stated to hide, so we'll just click that to show. You'll see it's stretched out quite a bit here because the image size was quite large. You may want to choose smaller images, but you can always drag and drop and resize it down so it looks correct. And again, all drag and drop. Now when we've made all our changes, we feel that we're happy with our ad, we're ready to save it. We just come down to the bottom, we'd enter the name we'd like to save it under. So we'll say demo ad. And save image. Now we're back to the main section again, and again we see the ad that we just saved, demo ad 1. So if we wanted to come in and view that ad, we just click the preview button. So there's the ad we created. Now if you want to download that image, we also have that option here as well. And if we wanted to use that on one of our sites or just upload it to one of our site's galleries that's listed in SiteBildZ, we can do that here. And then if we're ready to use the ad on our site and want to generate the code, we simply click this button here. We select the website we want to place our ad on. Now it says that this image was not uploaded to the site yet, so we just simply click this button to upload the image. Uploaded successfully. So there's our ad. Now that's been added to our website's image gallery. We enter in what we'd like to have show for alternate text. And link URL. So this is where you'd want to place your affiliate link. Or you can also use the tiny URL creator and cloak your link and use that as well. I'm just going to put SiteBildZ in for now. You do want to double check this link and make sure it's the correct one, because this is where all your traffic will get sent when they click your ad. We also select whether we'd like this ad to open in the current window or open in a new window. So usually select a new window so they don't get taken away from the current site they're on. We select the alignment and we generate code. So here we have it. We have our entire code for our ad. So we can just copy this. We can place that in our source on any of our posts or in our ad management section done in the website custom settings section. And we'll be covering that in the next video coming up. So stay tuned and we'll have some more great instruction right ahead. Thanks.